moving on, DGET. This I think is important in some uses. So what DGET do is that DGET helps me get some value. So for example, I want to have investment value. I want to find out investment value for JCPenney for stock return of 6%. So how do I get the investment value? If I look into it, it tells me investment value is 100,000. But if I have 1,000 records, how do I find it out? I need some formula. So for that we use DGET.
Even if it is repeating multiple times,
so it will pick up the first one. So this is the base database. This is the whole database, and in these database there are different fields: stock return, investment value. I want to tell it that what is the field that I am actually looking out. So I am looking for this field, this investment value. So I told it that this is the database. This database is the same as this. I am looking for investment value, and for which company I give it this data set in which I have written JCPenney and 6%. So wherever JCPenney and 6% matches, it will give me the investment value. If I want for CL and 18%, I will use CL and 18%. Wherever this matches, it will give me third column. So if you have multiple columns, if you know some columns value, and if you want to find out one, then you can simply use DGET. So it will pull in that particular data or cell from the database. So if you want to pull it out from some database, you can do it. Any problem so far?